Insurables. I'm Kelli Aerosmith with Aero Final Expense, and today we're going to go over how burial insurance works, and I'll give you all the facts and details. I'll even tell you the one thing about burial insurance I don't like, so be sure to stick around till the end. If you're new to my channel, you'll get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance. So burial insurance is usually purchased by seniors that want to leave behind a death benefit for a loved one that can enable them to pay for funerals, cremations, and other end-of-life expenses. These type of policies aren't for those that are raising families and need insurance to cover larger responsibilities, such as paying for a mortgage, providing for a child's education, and replacing income during the insured's prime working years. Burial insurance is popular among seniors that are on a fixed income and are in poor health. They may lack savings or some other form of life insurance that would enable them to pay for funeral expenses and other arrangements. So here's how burial insurance, otherwise known as funeral insurance or final expense insurance, works. Because these policies offer a lower death benefit, a medical exam is not required. Instead, you'll be asked about your medical and prescription history, which will be verified using your MIB, Medical Information Bureau record. Now, the other type of burial insurance policy that maybe some of you have also heard about is called guaranteed issue or guaranteed acceptance. Now, these policies are typically for people that are very ill or have very serious health conditions. Because everyone is accepted, there are no health questions involved. However, there is a 2 to 3 year waiting period for the full death benefit on any of these type of guaranteed issue, guaranteed acceptance policies. And with that waiting period, there's also higher rates. Now, of course, just as the name implies, burial insurance assists your loved ones so that they can pay for funerals, cremations, and other end-of-life expenses. But this death benefit can also be used to help pay for credit card debt, legal fees, or medical bills that you may have left behind. Now, these policies offer coverage ranging from $1,000 up to $50,000 for older adults ages 50 to 85, although some companies will write a policy on somebody as young as 40. And typically, you can apply right over the phone with an agent, and you'll usually receive an approval before the end of the call. Premium drafts can be set up to coincide with your Social Security and retirement payments to ensure that your policy does not lapse. So burial insurance is really simply just another name for a small whole life insurance policy. And like any other whole life policy, you'll have level premiums, which means they're always going to stay the same. The death benefit will always stay the same. It can never decrease. The coverage will never be canceled due to age or health as long as you pay your premiums, and the policy will build cash value and pay a tax-free benefit when you die. And because burial insurance is really geared more towards seniors, they're more accepting of those that are not in perfect health. But because they are willing to offer coverage to those that probably wouldn't be able to get coverage through a traditional life insurance policy, you will pay a higher rate. Something else to consider. The older you get, every birthday you have, it's going to be that much more difficult to get life insurance with any company or any type of policy. So here's my pros. Burial insurance. Hey, it's easy to qualify, even if you're not in the best health. Coverage never expires. It's always going to be there no matter how old or unhealthy you may become, as long as you pay your premiums. Your premium amounts stay the same, and the death benefit's always going to be the same. It builds cash value, and your beneficiary is going to get money tax-free when you die. And here's the cons. You're going to pay a higher rate than you would for traditional life insurance. And here's the one I really don't like. You're limited to the amount of coverage you can purchase. As I said, you can get between $1,000 to $50,000 max with one burial insurance policy. So there we have it. That's how burial, funeral, final expense insurance works. I hope that answers your questions. Let me know down in the comments if you have questions about this video or want me to go over something else. And if you want to continue to get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.